Hi, this is Neil with Covers and Camo Custom Seat Covers. Just finished the seat covers on the 2017 Ford F250. Let's check these out. They look great. Okay, again, this is the 2017 Ford F350, and just finished the seat covers on here. This is the Dura Easy Care trim material. So this is a poly nylon trim with the Max-4 material insert as well. So this is a nylon material insert as well. So both of these are going to be very they're water resistant and then also very abrasion resistant. So we did the 20 section here in the black Dura Easy Care as well, so that will fold and function here. So this right here, there's sticky Velcro that sticks down, so that, and those Velcro tabs then pull on to that to keep it nice and secure down. Then this is, I did a special install on this one. You wouldn't necessarily have to do this special of an install, but I tucked this piece underneath that plastic trim. You could also just pull it up, and it's an easier install just to pull it up to this level right here and then fasten it on. There's the headrest on the middle 20 section. And then here's the bottom 20 section. So this is a bottom storage seat here, so that'll fold up, and then there's coverage underneath it as well. Okay, so that all folds and functions great right there. Okay, and then moving to, here's the driver's side. So trims around nice on the front there, and then this is the side airbag compatible here, so if the side airbags ever need to blow out, they can blow through, and that Velcro right there. Now moving to the back, this is the back row on here, trimmed out really nice as well. So a headrest in the black Dura Easy Care, and then you can see that black Dura Easy Care on the sides there, and then if you fold this up, so the coverage down here as well, so all that really durable material. Now, if you have dogs in a vehicle, this is the best material that we recommend as well. Very abrasion resistant for those claws, for those dog claws. So this is the best material on that as well. Okay, this is one of our favorite features here as well. This is the Special Ops package. Okay, so this right here is an upper pocket that you can use for rifles or fishing poles going across, and then same thing down here, so you could have two rifles in the vehicle. That opens up, and then you could have, again, the rifles or fishing poles or long items there. Now if you're not using it for rifles, you can just use this as a large storage pocket, so you put your binoculars, ammunition, other smaller gear back there, and you can enclose that, and then you have a closed pocket. We have molly webbing going across up here, so you can put on your molly webbing accessories. And then down here, these are smaller gear and ammo pockets down below. Often the ear and eye protection and other smaller items. My business flyers go in there. But, you know, again, anything that's just smaller items, if you want to, yeah, again, binoculars or whatever else you might need to have down there. So, again, that's the Special Ops package there. That's the rear row finished out again, and everything's going to fold and function. Again, this was the Max-4 insert with the black Dura Easy Care trim, and things looked really nice. If you have more questions, contact us through our website, coversandcamo.com.